How old are you guys? 15. Huh? 20. You're 17. Y'all have IDs on you? I know you probably don't. Y'all have IDs on you?
No.
Alright. Tell me about the TV.
TV?
Mm-hmm.
What? We don't have any TV.
Huh? Well, what about the 65-inch TV?
65-inch TV.
115.
Do me a favor. And don't make this hard on yourselves. All of you take a seat.
Take a seat.
Take a
For
seat.
what? I don't know nothing about no TV,
Take
bro.
a seat.
TV? What
Take
the
a
fuck?
seat.
What
Now.
the fuck, man?
131 dispatch. I've got 4 on the ground right now.
Man, we just got here. Ain't nobody shooting no
Clear to unit 0, back them up.
I'm coming up to it'll be about 3 minutes.
Clear.
I've got a unit with the college out here with me.
Clear.
What's up, LT? Alright. So, it's that one right there with the fur jacket. Okay. Okay. He's old enough. He's 20. The other, he's 17. These two are 15. They were inside the store, though?
Yeah.
Okay.
You went inside what?
And on the patio riding bikes.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So those 3 trespass. Him's going to be trespass, and we're going to take charge.
What we do?
We was just right looking at the
You
bike.
tried to roll the TV out.
Nah, man, I ain't had my phone.
Yeah, no, that don't work, man.
I had my thing, bro. I had my receipt.
Yeah, where's it at?
My receipt was back down.
Stay on the ground.
Yeah, where's the TV?
TV, I ain't stealing TV. TV is where y'all had it.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't steal no
If you'd
TV.
had a receipt, if you'd had a
I didn't
receipt, you'd
steal
have
no
the TV
I don't
out
steal
here.
no TV. Where's the TV?
You don't have to.
I
All you
didn't
gotta
steal.
do is go to those
Man,
doors.
I didn't steal
Go ahead.
I went to the
false
store.
statement.
All right,
y'all
you
at?
fucking up.
We're in the parking lot in the area right across from Captain D.
What TV? Your TV is in there.
Dispatch, show me 23 in the parking lot of Walmart.
I had a receipt, bro.
Where's the receipt at?
My receipt
Stay,
is in the
hey, I didn't stay seated.
I got money,
You know what?
bro.
You know what?
I'm not a bro.
I want you to lay on your stomach. Lay on your stomach.
I'm not laying
Lay on your stomach.
So which one you guys were?
Lay on your stomach. You're under arrest.
Which one, guys?
I ain't say I wasn't fighting. I just said you wanted to fight. You said you wanted to fight. You wanted to punch it, right? No, I ain't say I wasn't going to punch it right there. I said you wanted to fight, so I was playing. Yeah, I did like that. Like, I ain't steal no TV. You don't know it's all that going on.
You're under arrest for shoplifting.
Stop, man.
Yeah, you have the right
I did
to.
not steal no TV, bro.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney and have an attorney present during any question. If any time you can't afford an attorney, won't be provided for your government expense. Knowing and understanding your rights, as I've explained them to you, are you willing to answer any questions without an attorney present? Answer that very wisely.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Stand up. Roll over. Put that knee up. Come on. Stand up.
Yeah, I'm gonna do about you. Take it, bro.
31 dispatch from 1095 of blackmail. Come to the other side.
Clear 295, 5008.
Face the car. Spread your feet. Spread your feet. All this I'm gonna put back in your pockets, alright? You ride a bike here too? Or no?
No, man.
No? Alright. Any more
walk
pockets
here.
on this jacket?
Yeah.
Are you wearing a shirt under that? No. It's too hot to be wearing that jacket, dude. Oh yeah, you gotta go in the back seat, man.
All right.
Turning the car stop on Bay Street on the street and Joy Avenue. And then have the choice of this one.
What floor are you guys?
Shot fire ignition under the complex of 101 precinct. Location is going to be 3817 Beach Channel Drive. 3817 Beach Channel Drive. It's going to be one round tree level. One Charlie Street.
So you were in there and then you guys came outside?
Yeah,
Okay.
because I was there trying to go to
And today was just like his words though, right? No one's hurt, no one's injured. You didn't get hurt or injured
No,
today?
not that. We just saw all that originally.
What's his name?
Ches.
Ches?
Yeah. Ches.
Ches? Here?
Ches. Turn on the light and see if I'm over. Anybody there?
We have someone in here?
He was here. That's why I'm come out. You know, he just need to go to the doctor and then he got some more stuff.
Hey. Yeah, we're good. Yeah. No, we're good. Thank you.
Ches.
You guys saw him living?
No, I leave him in here and come downstairs.
And you didn't see him walk past you guys?
No. Here. See here. Chase the police. Chase the cops. Chase the cops.
Hey, stop.
Chase the cops here.
Sir, go over there. Go. Drop it now. Drop it. Sir, back up. Drop it now. Back up now. Drop it. Back up. I'm gonna tase him. Back up. One boy. No. Did you call?
Can I get one more step here?
Drop it now. Drop it. Sir, let go of it. Drop it.
I'm gonna shoot him.
No. Go to that. I told your husband to back up. Tell your husband to back up now.
You make the problem no.